Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Mackenzie and I upload DIY and sewing tutorials every week with my dog Jack. This is Jack. He is in bits and pieces of all of my videos. He's a great little helper, so if you love DIY and sewing tutorials and cute dogs, I would suggest that you would hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make this awesome poofy top. And it is getting colder outside, but I actually wear these year round. So what I do is I'll make this sleeveless top and I will just put a jacket over it in the wintertime. I'll usually put a jacket and then I'll wear a coat with it. So it's great to just wear year round. Of course, in the summertime, you can just wear it by itself. So I'm going to show you guys the top. So this is the top. You can kind of see it's really poofy, but I really like the poofiness because it's just different and it's super comfortable. I really like them. It's really easy to make. Yeah, so a lot of my videos are really easy sewing tutorials. I like to do simple stuff. The stuff that I usually make, it's usually just everyday wear. I don't really do complicated things most of the time. And I don't know if you noticed, but this top is a Lion King print. Let me show you guys a closer look. So cute. It's got all of the characters from the movie. I really like this top a lot, and this material I got from Joann and I got 1 yard. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So for this project, you will need 1 yard of fabric, elastic, a measuring tape, and fabric scissors, and of course a sewing machine. The first thing I'm going to do is cut my fabric right in half, so I'm folding it and then I will cut it so that way I will have enough to wrap around my body. Now put your fabric right sides together and then pin it. Now sew it together. Now what I'm doing is I am just taking my fabric and I am putting both right sides together and just cutting any excess fabric that I don't need. Now take your elastic and put it on the wrong side of the fabric and do this on both ends, and then you'll just pin it. Now sew it. Now it's time to put your elastic in. So what you're going to do is take a safety pin and put it on the end of the elastic and go ahead and just push it through on both sides. Now it's time for the final step. What you're going to do is pin the end of your shirt together and then sew it.